Hi guys, it's Micah. Today I'm back for the Christmas Craft Creations challenge. It's our November theme and anything Christmassy goes, but no cards. So I made a tweet box or pouch or stocking filler, whatever you want to call them. And I just went through my paper stash. This is quite lightweight and it's better for this occasion. Otherwise you have to use hot glue gun, and I'm just using double-sided tape. But if your paper or cardstock is really sturdy and it won't stay shut, unless you have really good tape runner. Mine doesn't stay glued together, so I use the hot glue gun. You've seen that before in boxes. And it's 6x6 paper. I'm just cutting off a sliver and therefore 4.5 or thereabouts by 6. It's better if it's rectangular, so the shape of the box is nicer. But you can use it square as well. You can make it any size that you want as well. You can make it bigger, smaller. If you make them from 12 by 12 paper, then you can get 4 out of a sheet, of course. But yeah, 12 by 12 paper usually is thicker. So please use your hot glue gun then. And you can see you put double-sided tape on the 3 edges. Short side, this is the long side. And put them as close to the edge as you can. Then to put it together, you pull the short side and kind of wrap it round without folding it, of course, otherwise you get more seams. Then I get one of the bits off. You might need tweezers if you can't reach. But then I look where the seam is and put that in the middle. And that's just already done. And yeah, I'm filming this in September. I didn't like those eggs. They were cheap chocolate. So I didn't eat them. But I didn't have anything Christmassy yet. I'm just putting in these hard candy and in kind of Christmas colors. The red ones are my favorite. I don't want to put those in. But anyway, it fit 5. And then you turn your pouch with the seam the other way and you push it shut, and that's it. So simple. That took like 2 minutes, didn't it? And yeah, I'm showing you again. This is a little bit thicker card, so it's still okay, or paper. It's not yeah, I'm not sure when something becomes cardstock, but for this I didn't want to really pull out the hot glue gun because this paper doesn't need it. It doesn't have the strength. You know, sometimes when your paper is really thick, it gets stubborn and it wants to bend backwards, back as it was, if you know what I mean. So 5 candies, pull out the glue, look where the seam is, and then turn it. And I have rummaged through my embellishments, the Christmassy ones, and I found some jingle bells and some, I don't know, wooden Christmassy things, quite cute, and some tags that are so old that it doesn't stick anymore. But I thought they're a bit big for these, and you could cut them smaller, but I'm just using that little, what is it, medallion that came off. It doesn't stick anymore. I don't know how long I've had it, but all I do is punch a hole. And you could actually do this with a staple if you have those cute mini stapler and maybe funky color staples. I used to have those, but that's normal size, a bit big. And you just thread it through, and this is silver. It's horrible because it always comes undone, but it came with the jingle bells, so we'll just use it, won't we? And then I like to put a double knot in and then a bow so it doesn't come undone, because it's lurex, we call it lurex. It doesn't stay as I meant it. Yeah, and I cut off a little bit there because I went crooked. But yeah, just whatever you have, you can just put a tag on. But I thought if you put them in stockings, you probably don't need it. So see, it's a little jingle bell or a little embellishment, pom-pom, whatever you want. And you can use these, of course, for other occasions as well. But yeah, we are a Christmas challenge blog, so anything Christmassy goes, but no cards this month. And I thought about doing ATC cards, but then I thought, no, I'll do these. I like them more. And as I say, 6 minutes, I made 2. I sped it up a little bit, of course, but say within 10 minutes. And if you do it like assembly line fashion, then you will go really quick. So I hope you will join us. All the links are down below. And I will see you again soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.